Ekipa Ocean Xplore husi Singapura se halo peskiza para Tasi Timor.
Chefe cientista Oceano Xplore hateten, Ekipa Ocean Xplore husi Singapura se halo pesquisa iha Tasi Timornian, onde descobre ecosistema nebe subar iha Tasi Timor-Leste, no se documenta biodiversidade Tasi Laran, halo mapamento ba paisagem Tasi Ocos, nebe desconhecido, no estuda migração husi baleia azul pigmeo, no mos amostragem ambiental Tasinian. Missão ne o título Ocean Xplore Timor-Leste, no se halau e halorong walu tol loron ronlu resin rua fula novembro, tuir Tasi Norte Timor-Leste, no haleu ila atauru.
We chose Timor-Leste because it is really a unique and amazing and beautiful ecosystem. It is a small, as you know, island, but it, as we say in America, bats way above its weight. You have so much biodiversity, so much beautiful animal life in your waters that we are honored to come and study that work. All of the data that we will collect on this expedition will be given to your government to use in spatial planning and protection of your water. So we will bring all these ROVs and submarines that you saw to examine and look at your deep water, your shallow water, and we will have helicopters and drones in the air to look at your pygmy blue whale population that's here. We'll be studying those animals for their health. As you may or may not know, those animals get attacked every year by these tiny fish called cookie cutter sharks, and they have wounds all over their bodies, and we think that those wounds may be going up year in and year out, which is not great for the health of those animals. So we're here to sort of survey that impact on those animals, because they're very important, those animals, to Timor, of course, because you have a large tourist industry around looking at those animals as they pass through here. You're very lucky to have blue whales passing this close to your shore. It's a very rare occasion anywhere on the earth to have blue whales, as you know, within such proximity.
Chefe missão informa, sira se usa equipamento hanesan drone, onde halibur amostra sira husi baleia azul sira, no mos usa câmera infrared sira, onde hare nune belehetan resultado ne bediak onde halau mapamento.
All of those deployed assets, and then every night we're actually going to be doing mapping. So you're going to actually get a bathymetric survey done of all around Aturu, the channel in between Aturu and the mainland, and as far up the coast as we can get in the time that we're here. So you really are going to get a full ecosystem understanding by the time we leave here. Everything from the deepest points, 3,500 meters in the middle of the channel, all the way up to the edges of the coastline.
Pesquisa idane se sai hanesan estudo científico integrado da huluk, ne beklean konaba paisagem timornian. Além de ne se formos apoio ba planeamento, conservação tasinian e futuro e a Timor-Leste, no hameti cooperação científica o parceiro global será Dilma Suzeti, GMN.